value flow and kaizen. The second lean principle is achieving perfect flow in your organization's value stream. Value is defined as what the customer wants and is willing to pay for. The value stream is all the tasks, actions, and information used to create a deliverable and get it to the customer. Achieving perfect flow requires the removal of all obstacles and waste, known as muda, from the value stream. This will optimize the flow of production and delivery to the customer. Assessing your organization's value stream can help you identify waste and add value to processes. This applies for both manufacturing and service organizations. Now, let's see each industry type for examples of perfecting flow in the value stream. Manufacturing. Value-added activities for an automobile manufacturer include design, manufacture, and safety testing of vehicles. The current value stream should also show all communications and quality controls used. Typical barriers include batch jobs and queues or waiting. You can remove obstacles to flow by reducing work batches so that smaller jobs are processed and by using cross-functional teams to work project by project. Service. Value-added activities for a hospital include diagnosing, treating, and providing aftercare. The current value stream should also show the use of communications and quality controls and the type of information that's required. Each value-added activity needs to be analyzed to discover smarter and more efficient ways of performing them. Activities that aren't value-added need to be eliminated or redesigned to add value to the process. For example, micromanagement causes waiting time and low morale, because clear processes are not defined and workers don't have the responsibility to do their work. Perfecting the value stream is tied to the principle of continuous improvement, known as kaizen. This principle requires everyone to assess and improve processes and practices repeatedly, to streamline them and reduce them. So it involves ongoing incremental change with the aim of better meeting customer demand. Now, how often are improvements made in your organization? What do you know? Is it daily? Is it monthly? Is it yearly? Well, this is the answer for you to compare. Option 1, your organization is already working with the principle of kaizen. If employees at all levels in their expertise or if their area of expertise generate these changes, and if the changes are designed to remove waste and meet customer demands, the principle is intact. Option 2, intermittent changes can be disruptive and fail to deal with problems as they arise. Finding out more about how to implement kaizen in your organization will help you to streamline processes and practices. Option 3, large intermittent changes can be disruptive and fail to deal with problems as they arise. Finding out more about how to implement kaizen in your organization will help you to streamline processes and practices. It is important to reevaluate production processes continually. Even if a process appears to work well, it doesn't mean that it's perfect. There's always room for improvement.